These geraniums, also known as cranesbill or sportsbill, are a great addition to your lawns, gardens, and balconies. Flowers appear on a bare stalk. The leaves of this plant are round in shape and greenish golden color. Geraniums are not only appealing to the eye but also an easygoing plant. You need not care much about it. You just need to remove the drying out leaves and the dead head stalk. Geraniums thrive well in full sun. This plant has beautiful red color flower and greenish gold leaves. The soil around the plant is firm and compact, so we need to loosen the soil using a shovel. You need to take care that while loosening you must not damage the roots. Geraniums need moderate watering. After loosening the soil, we need not water it immediately. Instead, we'll leave it like this for some time. Geraniums can be easily propagated through stem cutting. These plants bloom throughout the year. These are not only full year blooming plant but also insects and pest repellent, so they pair well with roses that attract pests. Geraniums twigs spread widely sideways, so to guide the branches to go upwards, we tied the stems with rope in the midway. Make lawns and gardens stunning by adding geraniums to it. If you find this video useful in any way, do like and share it.